Hello, today we will guide you through how to change default text box style in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set a text box style that PowerPoint will use by default going forward. This is especially useful if you want your slides to stay visually consistent without having to manually restyle every new text box you create. To begin, open PowerPoint and make sure you're in your presentation. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you'll find the tools for adding new elements to your slide, including text boxes. Next, look toward the top right area of the ribbon and click Text Box. This allows you to create a new text box anywhere on your slide. After selecting it, click and drag on the slide to place the text box onto the presentation. This will be the sample text box you use to create your default style. Once the text box is on the slide, click on that sample text box so it's selected. It's important that the text box itself is active, because the formatting changes you make here are what PowerPoint will remember as your new default. Now go to the Shape Format tab at the top. This tab appears when the text box is selected, and it gives you access to design and style controls. From here, click the Style or Color dropdown and choose the sample color or design you want to use. This is where you can define the visual look of the text box, such as its fill, outline, or overall style theme, depending on the options available in your version of PowerPoint. Take a moment here to make sure the sample text box looks exactly the way you want future text boxes to appear. Since this will become the default, any new text boxes you add after this should follow the same styling, which can save time and make your presentation more polished. When you're happy with the design, right-click on the sample text box. A context menu will appear with additional options related to that selected object. In that menu, click the option to set or change it as the default text box. Once selected, PowerPoint will apply that style as the default for new text boxes you create in the current presentation. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default text box style in PowerPoint. From now on, when you insert a new text box, it should automatically use the style you just selected, helping you work faster and keep your slides consistent.